In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the bullet point color in Mailchimp. This is an easy and straightforward process that won't take you more than a few minutes. Whether you're looking to add a bit of flair to your email campaigns or ensure your branding stays consistent, changing the color of your bullet points can make a significant difference. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Mailchimp's website and logging into your account. It's important to ensure you have the appropriate access and permissions if you're part of a larger team. Once you're logged in, head over to the Campaigns tab at the top of your dashboard. Under the Campaigns section, select All Campaigns. This area will display a comprehensive list of all your email campaigns, both past and present. Now browse through your list of campaigns and click on the specific email campaign you wish to modify. If you're managing multiple campaigns, it might be helpful to use the search bar to find your campaign quickly. Once you've selected your campaign, you'll see the design layout. Here, your focus should be on identifying the block where your bullet points reside. Typically, bullet points are found within a text block, so look for a section laden with text content. After you've pinpointed the block containing your bullet points, click on it to activate the editing tools. The toolbar should appear, offering you various options to customize your text. One of these options will be to adjust the font color. Select your text with bullet points here, and experiment with different colors to find the one that best suits your campaign's aesthetics. Here's a handy tip. When you change the text color using Mailchimp's editor, the color of your bullet points will automatically match the new font color. This cohesive look helps streamline your editing process and ensures consistency in your design. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to enhance your email campaigns in Mailchimp by altering the bullet point color. It's a small detail, but one that can help make your communications more engaging and visually appealing. Keep in mind that consistency is key in branding, so always double check your color selections to align with your branding guidelines. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore more customization options in Mailchimp to further enhance your email marketing efforts. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like, share, or subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your marketing tools. Happy emailing!